Hi, Morgan. Are you having some lunch? Get that nasty backlight. Would you like some lunch? Would you like some? Yum. Yum. Is that pretty good? It's the spoon. Do you want some more? Is it pretty funny? Your food comes out of the sky. Very nice. Yes. Oh, very good. Yes, very good. Another bite. Yum. Let's see, what do we have here? Sweet potato. Some banana. A little rice cereal. And some of Mommy's finest. All mixed together. Yes. It's the little moulage. It's the little moulage. Here it comes. Oh my. Is that good stuff? Yes, it is. You like it? Yes, you're doing a good job. Yes, you are. Come and have lunch with Grandma, huh? Come and have lunch with Grandma. Are you growling? Huh? Say, give me red meat. Yes. Give me some red meat. Yes. All right. Here comes some straight sweet patootie. Oh, yes. Yum. 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 Here comes some more. Bidoo. Straight sweet patootie. Is it strong stuff? Strong stuff. Okay. Come some more. All right. You're doing pretty good. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, right. Okay. Gonna go bye now.